Pulse Energy Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the product and related resources are in the description. Now let's get straight into it. Pulse Energy is a New Zealand-based electricity and gas provider known for its flexible pricing and commitment to customer choice. Unlike larger energy companies, Pulse operates on an open billing model, meaning customers can choose between fixed or variable rates without long-term contracts. This makes it a great option for renters, homeowners, and businesses looking for flexibility. One of its standout features is Pulse's bundled energy plans, allowing customers to combine electricity and gas for potential cost savings. Additionally, Pulse provides community-based pricing options through partnerships with local councils and organizations, ensuring competitive rates for eligible customers. A key strength of Pulse Energy is its transparent pricing structure. There are no hidden fees, and customers get clear, upfront costs. Their customer service is another advantage, with local New Zealand-based support teams that provide quick assistance. Another benefit is Pulse's commitment to sustainability, with carbon-neutral and renewable energy options available for environmentally conscious consumers. Additionally, Pulse often runs promotional deals, such as credits for new customers, making it a cost-effective choice for those looking to switch providers. However, there are some weaknesses. While Pulse offers competitive pricing, their cheapest rates often require prompt payment discounts, meaning late payments can lead to higher costs. Additionally, their service availability is somewhat limited in certain regions, so not all customers may have access to the best rates. Another potential downside is that, compared to major energy providers, Pulse has a smaller renewable energy portfolio, which may be a concern for customers looking for 100% green energy solutions. Finally, while their customer service is generally good, wait times can sometimes be longer during peak periods. Overall, Pulse Energy is a solid option for those seeking a flexible and affordable energy provider in New Zealand. Its transparent pricing, customer-focused approach, and flexible contract options make it ideal for households and businesses that value control over their energy plans. While it may not have the most extensive renewable energy offerings or the lowest rates in all areas, its competitive pricing and strong customer support make it a worthwhile choice. Check out the links in the description for more details.